Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here and I am excited to show you a new product. I love my little knives, and this is the newest knife from Jellas. This thing is so cool, but before I unbox it and show you what's in there, if you find these videos where you get information about products helpful, give it one of these down below. So let's open it up, let's unbox it. Let's see what this new knife looks like and check it out in real life. At least it's real life for me, video for you guys. Okay, so I saw this and I was like, ooh, I need that. So this thing is so interesting. Look at the colors. It is so cool. I don't know what you would actually call the color other than really, really, really cool. It's got that kind of, you know what it actually looks like? It is not at all, but it looks like when metal gets heat damaged and it gets those cool colors in it. This is obviously a finished, not heat damaged at all, but it has that kind of iridescent, kind of cool look to it. Let's open it up to see what we got in here. Oh, this is my new favorite knife. Check this thing out. I love it. It is, you know, there's not a whole lot to say about it other than it is a classic folding knife with a really incredibly cool finish. It's got, you know, a regular cutting blade. It's got a serrated section to the blade. You have a bottle opener on the back. This is actually also used for emergencies to break glass if you got to get out of your car in emergency before you drown. That is what that is for. This thing is wicked. That's what I'm going to call this video. I'm going to call this video the Wicked Knife video. That's what this is.